In our daily lives, we often find ourselves in situations where we need to communicate effectively in English. Let's dive into some essential phrases that can help you navigate these conversations with ease. First up, greetings. A simple hello or hi is a great way to start. If you want to sound a bit more friendly, try hey there or good morning/afternoon/evening, depending on the time of day. Remember, a smile goes a long way when you greet someone. It sets a positive tone for the conversation. Now, let's talk about asking for information. When you need help or clarification, phrases like, could you please help me? Or do you know where I can find? Are polite and effective. If you're in a store, for example, you might say, excuse me, could you tell me where the restroom is? This shows respect and makes it more likely that the person will assist you. Moving on to discussing plans. If you want to invite someone to do something, you can say, would you like to join me for coffee? Or how about we catch up this weekend? These phrases not only express your interest, but also make the other person feel included. If you're making plans, it's also good to confirm, does that work for you? This ensures everyone is on the same page. Now, let's cover how to end a conversation politely. You might say, it was great talking to you, or I really enjoyed our chat. These phrases leave a positive impression. If you need to leave, you can say, I have to run, but let's catch up soon. This shows that you value the conversation and would like to continue it later. Throughout your conversations, don't forget to engage with the other person. Ask open-ended questions like, what do you think about? Or how do you feel about? This encourages a two-way dialogue and makes the conversation more dynamic. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these phrases in your daily interactions. The more you use them, the more natural they will feel. And don't hesitate to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. So, next time you find yourself in a conversation, keep these phrases in mind. They'll help you connect with others and express yourself clearly. Happy chatting.